Step 8, adjust the Z-axis belt tension. During this step, we'll be adjusting the tension on the Z-axis to ensure that the machine performs appropriately. In part 1, we're going to remove the Z-axis cover. Using a 2.5mm Allen key, remove the 4 screws at the top of the Z-axis. Then remove the plastic Z-axis cover and reserve the screws. In part 2, we're going to tension the Z-axis belt. So first, we're going to take our socket wrench with a 7mm deep socket over the black nut that is connected to the eccentric spacer located between the 2 pulleys. Then with your other hand, place an 11mm open-end wrench on the nut located below the screw. Gently loosen the black nut. Once the screw is loose, turn the nut with the 11mm open-end wrench clockwise until the belt is tight, like a guitar string.
Now, this is pretty much the same format and setup that we did with the X-axis.
Once the belt is tight, continue holding the 11mm open-ended wrench and tighten the black nut with the 7mm socket wrench.
And just like the black nut on the X-axis, make sure not to over tighten the screw so we don't strip it.